Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on battery saver in your Motorola Moto E22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Motorola Moto E22 and you are looking for how to turn on battery saver. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here something say battery. After click over battery, you're going to find here something say battery saver. After click over battery saver, you're going to find here something say use battery saver. So you're going to just turn on. So now you can see I have successfully turned on battery saver in my Motorola Moto E22. So if you decide to turn off battery saver, you need to go again this settings section. After click over settings section, jump over again this battery and then go again click here battery saver, and you can easily turn this off. So in this simple way you can easily turn on or off battery saver in your Motorola Moto E22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.